We have some thrilling rumors about Samsung's next big release, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, possibly arriving in 2025. This new foldable phone is anticipated to bring major upgrades over its predecessors. Let's dive into the exciting details. Rumored specs and features: the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra might feature an 8-inch foldable display, larger than the 7.6-inch screen on the Z Fold 6. Imagine a more immersive experience right in your hands. But that's just the beginning. The rumored specs include a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, a whopping 16 GB of RAM, and an impressive 1 TB of storage. This could translate to longer battery life and ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Plus, with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, you can expect top-notch performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. Exploring the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra rumors: the Galaxy Z Fold line has always been at the forefront of foldable phone technology. With the Z Fold 6 making waves, attention has shifted to its potential successor. Rumors suggest a possible Ultra variant, and it sounds like Samsung might be preparing something truly special with top-tier specs and features. Camera enhancements: one of the most exciting rumors revolves around the camera system. Sources hint at a possible 200MP main sensor, similar to the one in the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This would be a game-changer, offering incredible image quality and detail, especially in low-light conditions. Improved zoom capabilities and image processing are also on the cards. Imagine capturing stunning photos and videos with unprecedented clarity and detail. This could make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra a top choice for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. Performance and memory: when it comes to performance, the Z Fold 7 Ultra is expected to feature the latest Snapdragon processor available at the time of its release. This promises a significant performance boost, allowing for smoother multitasking and faster app launches. Increased RAM and storage options are also likely, catering to power users who need ample space for their digital lives. With 16 GB of RAM, running multiple apps simultaneously should be a breeze, and 1 TB of storage ensures you'll never run out of space for your photos, videos, and other files. Display and design refinements: rumors suggest the display could see some refinements, such as increased brightness for better outdoor visibility and a further reduction of the crease that typically appears on foldable screens. The design might also evolve, possibly taking cues from the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This could include a wider cover screen, providing a more traditional smartphone experience when the device is folded. These design improvements could enhance the overall user experience, making the Z Fold 7 Ultra more versatile and user-friendly.